Here to discuss is former Ohio State Senator and founder of We Are Somebody, Nina Turner. Thank you so much for joining me, Nina. It's so great to see you.
Great to see you as well.
All right, here is what I don't understand. This is the moment for the Democrats to be going big on health care. This is the moment to be talking about something like Medicare for all. The American people are ready. We are outraged. Where is the leadership?
It's really not there. And this is something that's been brewing for a very long time. As you laid out, neither party, so the duopoly, does not have a vision to provide provision for the American people. I think there was a recent Data for Progress poll, Batya, that showed that over 65% of the American people support Medicare for all by name. As you know, that is light years difference from when Senator Bernie Sanders reintroduced our communities to this concept that healthcare is really a human need. And I put it in a category, and I know that the senator does too, of water, of food, and of air. And as you are laying out, there are so many opportunities to go big or to go home for both parties who have constituencies. To me, as far as I'm concerned, healthcare should not be put in a category of who's a Republican, who's a Libertarian, or who's a Democrat. This is a human need, whether you're an infant who has just been born or whether you're a seasoned elder well into your 90s. For as long as we live, we need health care, good health care, just as we need air, food, and water.
And it's so amazing that Senator Sanders is the only person really up there in the leadership on the Democratic side who's even willing to talk about health care, I think, in a way that sounds really persuasive. And on the right, you know, something that I understood from reporting my book and interviewing working class people is they don't see health care like, you know, free housing. They don't even see it like food stamps because most of your encounters with the healthcare system happen completely beyond your control. This is an act of God. We cannot help what happens to us. Nina, did you know that 100 million Americans are carrying medical debt? This is just atrocious.
I did. I mean, the number one reason in our country for bankruptcy is medical debt. So this has been going on for a long time. But could you imagine, with the boldness that President Trump has, and you and I have had many discussions, I don't agree with much of what he has done. But what I have learned from this president is he knows how to use power. He keeps talking about how he's the greatest, he's the best. Nothing ever in the history of the world has ever happened until he has done it. You know, and so I really do wish he would use that incredible courage that he has to stand up, even for things that I don't agree with, and put it laser focused on one of the greatest needs of our time as human beings. You want to talk about America first? Well, if this president would push for Medicare for all, he really would be, you know, one of the greatest presidents of our time if he would do that and use his energy towards that. The American people, they want it. We are commodifying healthcare in the United States. We have worse outcomes. We spend more money and we have worse outcomes. And we are enriching a healthcare industry that really, this is a sick care industry, Batya. It doesn't enrich. And the point that you made, how dare when one of our doctors, you know, makes it known that we need something. Excuse me to the audience. I talk with my hands. They can deny it. They have the power to deny what your doctor or my doctor or one of our family and friends doctors has told them that we need. They can deny it, and that really is cruel and should be considered cruel and unusual punishment in the United States.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.